Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use the free SRT translation feature on this TTS for free website. First, you need to have a free API key, or if you don't want the hassle and only translate a little, you can just use this SRT translation feature directly, but it will cost credits. Every day, you will have about 2,000 free credits. In this feature, I will use Google AI's free API. Here there will be sections like translating by text or translating by SRT file, and the system will keep the timestamps intact for you. I have pre-installed the two most popular models, 3.0 Pro and 2.0 Flash. The 3.0 Pro model has higher quality, while Flash is faster. Here I have a request limit per minute. For example, Pro is 15 requests per minute, Flash is 10 requests per minute. In fact, you can translate a lot of SRT blocks every minute. Around a few hundred blocks depending on the content. Here I have prompts ready for you. You can choose the Vietnamese prompt, or a prompt with your own style. You can also enter any prompt as you like. Now I will show you how to get the API key. Click on this part. If you don't have a project yet, you need to create a new one. Go to console.cloud.google.com. Log in to your Google account and create a new project. Then come back here, refresh the page. Next, select the newly created project and create an API key. That's it. After getting the API key, copy and paste it here. Now let's try translating. For example, I choose Spanish and translate it to Vietnamese. Click Translate to start translating. After the translation is done, the result will be displayed here. Very simple. You can change the language to Thai, Russian, or any language. Then click Translate again to continue translating. So the translation is successful. After finishing, click Download SRT here. The SRT file will be downloaded to your device. In addition, you can review it in the History section. Click Apply to reuse the translation. It's very convenient. Okay, this is how I use the Gemini API to translate SRT for free. Thank you. Hope this video will be helpful to you. See you in the next video.